Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Breakthrough Maths, and today I'm going to show you how to solve inequalities. So, as you can see with our inequality here, there are two signs. So, if there are two inequality signs in your question, you're going to have to break it up into two parts. So, think for each inequality sign, it needs to have its own part. If there were just one inequality sign here, you'd take it just as it is and you wouldn't have to split it up at all. But another thing to keep in mind is that inequality signs are basically the same as using an equal to sign. The only difference is when you have to divide by a minus. Well, what happens then? You have to flip your sign. And I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So all you need to worry about for the moment is dividing by a minus sign. Other than that, it's exactly like using an equal to sign. So we'll split it up into our two parts. Our first part is going to be minus 7 is less than 8 minus 3g. And our second part is going to be 8 minus 3g is less than or equal to 11. So on the left hand side, we'll bring our unknown to the left, so it'll become plus 3g. And it'll be less than 8 plus 7, which means 3g is going to be less than 15. And g by itself is going to be less than 15 divided by 3. So g is going to be less than 5. Okay, now for the right hand side. We keep our minus 3g to the left, and it's going to be less than or equal to 11 minus 8. So minus 3g is going to be less than or equal to 3. So to get g here by itself, we'd have to divide 3 by minus 3. And here's what we had to look out for. Dividing by a minus. Therefore, we have to flip our inequality sign the other way, and g becomes greater than or equal to 3 divided by minus 3. Therefore, g is going to be greater than or equal to minus 1. And our final inequality, how we finish it off, is we write g in the middle. It's going to be greater than or equal to minus 1, and it's going to be less than 5. And that's how you solve inequalities.